Sometimes you just don't feel like carrying your laptop around, and that's why I wanted to do some of my work on my phone. So I set myself a little challenge to see how much of my projects I could pull off with it. Welcome to Coding with Phone Part 1. I decided to warm up with a simple, nostalgic game to start, Snake. Stuff you need: SPCK editor, HTML, JavaScript, and Phaser. First, we open SPCK editor and create a new project inside it. In the HTML file, we link Phaser's CDN and the JavaScript file we're going to make. We make a JavaScript file with the same name we gave it in the HTML, and inside it, we add Phaser's config. And now we've made our first game on a phone. Let's run it. Okay, nothing's added to it yet, so let's keep working on it. Alright, first thing we need to make a scene for when the game starts, so some stuff happens. So we create a function called create and add it to scene. Then we define a variable in the global scope called snake, so we can store the snake's coordinates in it. Next, we make a method called spawnSnake that takes a parameter. Inside it, we say if there's already a snake, delete it, then give it some starting coordinates, and for each coordinate, place a square. Now, we call that in create, bind it with this keyword, and run our game. Boom, now we've got our snake. Now we need food to spawn in random spots, so we make a method called spawnFood and call it in create so the food spawns when the game starts. Now we gotta make the snake move in the direction it's supposed to go. So we create a variable called direction and give it a default value of right. Then we define a variable called speed, make a method called moveSnake, and call it an update. Now we need some virtual buttons to change the snake's direction. So we make a method called changeDirection that takes a direction and updates the direction value. Then we go back to the virtual buttons, add a click event for each one, and call changeDirection. Alright. Our game's ready. I don't have the energy to put more time into this right now, but we saw that we can make a game on a phone. So stay tuned for cooler, better, more pro games.